One ingredient, gang. Just one ingredient is all you need for the most amazing low-carb lunch. Now, granted, we're gonna get a little bit of help from our low-carb friends and low-carb items, but grab that air fryer, grab this one ingredient, because I'm gonna tell you how to do it perfect, and it's gonna make the kiddos rejoice. Now follow me to the refrigerator for that one simple ingredient. It is Kroger mild Italian sausage. Now y'all know me by now, my bougie on the bayou self. I shop at the Kroger, the Walmart, the Albertsons. Of course you can get your own, you can get your favorite, but remember to look at that nutrition label and particularly looking at the carbs and the sugar, because these food companies are so sneaky. It's like they're sneakier than kids trying to sneak in candy behind the teacher's back. Boo. But we don't do that in this kitchen. We look at that label. So all we do, take our sharp knife, get that plastic off of there, and now you're gonna follow me to the beautiful air fryer. So I have a Ninja Foodi. Yes, it was a great Christmas present. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Mwah. And we're just gonna put our sausage links in the air fryer basket. Notice I didn't spray, don't have any oil. We are just putting them in as is. They're sticking together a little bit, you know. Probably if I wasn't filming this, I would use my fingers, but I'm kind of being polite and just putting them in there with the tongs. Now, once they're in, we are going to give that little close. If it's in your air fryer basket, just put that basket in, press the start button, hit that air crisp, go ahead for 360 for about 8 to 9 minutes, and we're going to do a little checky brew. We're at the halfway mark. Let's check on our sausage, and we're going to grab those tongs and give them a little tilt-a-whirl, a little turn there, and ooh, they are crisping up. I gotta love it. I can't sing, but I always sing song to myself when I'm cooking or I'm watching Snapped, one or the other. So after we flip this around, we are going to close that lid and do the exact same thing. We're going to go ahead and cook at 360 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, child, these are done. Let's go ahead and take them out. I mean, look at that crisp. I just love sausages cooked in the air fryer, and I promise you're going to love it. The kids are going to love it, but let me show you how we're going to complete the lunch. Follow me, eh? Yep, you're going to see my little stand. You're going to see my pantry door open. Whoopsie doodle. Yes, I'm wearing shorts into that. That bun is Sola. Sola is at Walmart. Ooh, my bougie on a bayou. I'm going to top it with a little mustard, a little onion, green onion. Do whatever you like. But gang, that bun, the Sola buns are low in net carbs. They're delicious. This makes a great lunch. For the recipe, scroll down below. And for more low carb and laughter, be sure to subscribe.